In the wake of the COVID 19 pandemic, we recognize the shortcomings in our healthcare system. The lack of access to basic facilities led us to develop eHealthEase.
eHealthEase aims to make healthcare more accessible by providing a platform for digital record keeping and convenient appointment booking. The motivation behind our project stems from personal experiences witnessing the struggle people face in accessing critical medical resources.
We made some assumptions like user familiarity with basic technology. However, we acknowledge constraints like potential performance issues with high user loads and browser compatibility.
I am Anish Gupta. My roll number is 102006115, Electronics and Communication Engineering. My role revolved around the UI UX design. I've closely collaborated with the front end team to create appealing and intuitive designs. Our main aim as a eHealth's team is to provide a user friendly website.
Everyone, my name is Sidharth Goyal and my roll number is 102006171. My primary role was in the front end development. I extensively worked with React to create a user friendly interface for our health management system. The goal is to create an interface that is not only intuitive but it also enhances the overall user engagement.
My name is Ritish. My roll number is 102186018 and I'm from ECA branch. My main responsibility within this project was to lead the backend part, to deal with the server side logics, and the main tech stack which I used in the backend part was a Node.js and Express.js, as a front-end part is based on React.js, so mostly our project is done on JavaScript. Other than that, my major responsibility was to handling data storages and providing efficiency within our project, and to provide an interface which is user friendly and much easier for the users to look out for that.
My name is Damini. My roll number is 102186011. I'm from ECE. I was involved in the database management aspect of the project. My primary responsibility was to create database schemas and implement features regarding the electronic health records. I primarily used MongoDB in order to create a scalable and secure database structure to store patient information efficiently.
So let's start with the basic demonstration of our project. First one is our homepage. Now, while going through our homepage, we can see some basic user interface. Other than that, while scrolling down, we can see a find a doctor section. While going through find a doctor section, we can basically see different doctor listed. And going back to our homepage, second is a find a location. Now in find a location, we can basically check nearby hospitals which are near to our specific locations. And thirdly, as soon as we shift to our appointment details, as soon as we click on that, first we need to register. So we have two options to register, as a patient or as a doctor, and accordingly we can book our appointments. Then again, going back to our home section, we can see some more user interface. Then there are certain services which we do provide, basically including Ayurveda, maternal, surgeon, and many more. And we can add on according to the requirements. Then as we move down, we can see some great doctors, and these are basically listed on the basis of certain reviews provided by our customers. Then there are certain reviews which our customers have given according to the services they have been provided. Then as we move down, there are certain links which can be referred as above.
Let us now see how a user logs into the website. Upon clicking on the login button, we are directed to this page where we can log in using sample credentials that we have created for the testing purpose. After we log in successfully, we can go to Find a Doctor section where the doctors are listed and can be sorted according to the department that they belong to. We can click on the arrow down here to book an appointment with a given doctor. We might need to refresh the page because sometimes the cashier takes time to process. So clicking on the book an appointment button, it directs you to a payment link where upon entering your card details, you can book an appointment. And here we can do that using the MasterCard test data. Here you can see that the appointment has successfully been made, which is confirmed by this payment successful message. Also, in our profile then, we can look at the My Booking section and we can keep a track of what bookings we've made in the future or that we've currently made and we have to attend. Moving on to the ambulance section, different cards corresponding to ambulances available nearby have been added. Sample phone numbers have been added, and the availability of these ambulances can be changed on the back end depending on the current status of their availability. Next is the blog section. We have different blogs here that are related to healthy lifestyles and medical preferences and procedures, and users can visit these as well.